Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to find your phone number on iPhone. So in case you got a new iPhone or you got a new phone number, a SIM, and you can't really remember your phone number, so in this video I'm going to show you how to get it. And before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. So firstly, what you have to do is for you to go over to settings. Over here at setting, what you have to do is for you to go over to the search area and searching phone, and type phone, and you're going to see phone. So let me go over to phone, and over at the downside you're going to see allow phone to access, which is a lot of it there. And you're going to see incoming calls, announced calls, and my number, which is at the downside. And also let me go over to my number, go over to your number, and this, so you're going to see your number displayed over there, and that is how you'll be able to see your phone number on your iPhone. So guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time guys. Bye.